What you are looking at right here is the stats for a YouTube channel, but it's not just any channel. In fact, it is completely faceless, completely voiceless, and requires almost no editing. There are many other channels like this where you don't have to put much effort but are still earning a lot of money.
In fact, I created the same YouTube Shorts in just minutes for free. In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT and Canva to do the same, so you can start your own faceless YouTube channel and begin making serious money. By the way, I have already created a detailed video on this. You can watch it, the link is in the description. Alright, now let's dive into this video. Of course, we're starting with ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT to generate some quotes that fit a specific style, with a first part that intrigues people to hear the second part. To illustrate this, I'll give ChatGPT an example. Let's see if it understands. Great! It seems like ChatGPT understands. Perfect. Now I will ask ChatGPT to create 100 quotes like these. It will not provide 100 quotes all at once. It will only give around 25 to 30 quotes in one go, so you will have to repeat your request multiple times to complete the response.
Alright, I will fast forward through this part.
Now, I asked to ChatGPT to generate these quotes in a table form like Excel. This is an important step and you'll find out why later in the video. It takes me approximately 10 to 12 minutes to complete this entire process so far. Now I will manually save the entire data into an Excel file. Now, go to canva.com, click on videos, then click on mobile videos. You'll see the design section. Here, you'll find various templates to choose from. You can search for templates of your choice. In my case, I'm looking for quotes. As you can see, there are plenty of templates that match my description. Here, I will choose this one. So, I'm going to put the theme text like love facts or friend facts somewhere at the top of the screen. The quote itself is going in the middle, and at the bottom, I'm going to add the YouTube channel name where the shorts are going to be posted. Let's put in a quote to see how this looks. The quote is difficult to read, so I'm going to add a background to the quote. As you know, the quotes are made up of two parts, so I'm going to copy and paste this so I have a second text block. I'm going to drag it down a bit for now and copy the second part of the quote here. The style of videos I want to make is made up of two parts. The first 7.5 seconds display the first part of the quote, then there is a 1-second pause, and then it reveals the second part of the quote, which has a duration of about 1.5 seconds. Next, right-click on the first part of the quote and select Show Timing. This will show you the duration and placement of the text in the video. We want the first half of the quote to be 7.5 seconds long, followed by a 1-second pause, and then we start the second part of the quote at the 8.5 second mark. The second half of the quote should only take about 1.5 seconds, and then we want the video to end. Drag the end of the video to the end of the second part of the quote. Let's see how it looks. Perfect! Our video template is ready. Now here comes the real magic. We're going to insert the database of quotes into Canva, so I can make hundreds of different videos with just a few clicks. Go to Apps in the left menu and search for Bulk Create. Select Enter Data manually and clear all data, then copy your Excel list of quotes. I'm only going to put in 30 for now, and you will find out why soon. And paste them into Canva with their names. As you can see, we have the first 30 quotes in, so we can click on Done. Next, we want to connect the different pieces of text to the correct parts of the video. Right-click on the text and go to Connect Data. Select the right piece of data you want to be shown in a text. This part is going to be the theme, so we select a theme. To get to the first half of the quote, we have to drag the second part down. For the first half of the quote, we select the first part. For the second half, we select the second part. Once you've connected all the data pieces, place the second part back in the center of the video and we're good to go. Now all parts of the data have a purple check mark on the left indicating that we're ready to generate the video. Click on Continue and then on Generate 30 pages. And voila! We now have 30 YouTube Shorts with different quotes. The only downside is that all the videos have the same background. You can change this manually by going to the menu bar on the left and selecting Elements. Here, you can search for different videos and choose the one you like. Click on the three dots at the top of the video and select Replace Background. However, I'm not going to do this 100 times. Also, I don't want all videos to have the same background. This brings us back to why I didn't generate the videos all at once. Let me show you a better way. Go back to the previous page and start over at step 1 for bulk create once again. Select Enter Data manually and clear the table, then go to your Excel sheet. Copy the names of the rows and paste them into Canva. Now, go back to the Excel sheet and copy the next 30 quotes, paste them into Canva, and select Done. As you can see, all the data pieces have a purple check mark, so we can click on Continue, but before you hit that Generate button, let's change up the background. Go back to Elements and search for a video of your choice. Once you find it, click on those three little dots and select Replace Background. Just be warned, the new video will have the same length as the video you selected for the background. So if it's a 2-minute video, you're in for a long ride. So when you switch up the background, you'll have to adjust the length again. Now let's head back to bulk create and select Generate Pages. Lovely! Now you can go to Share and select Download. Choose your desired quality and select Download Pages as separate files, and you're done. Now all that's left is to repeat these steps a few more times. And there you have it, amazing YouTube Shorts in just a few minutes. Let me know what I should do with all these shorts. Maybe I could post them all in days to see what will happen. Leave a comment down below if you have any ideas, and of course, if you like this video, please leave a like and hit the subscribe button.